All right, we're gonna make breakfast this morning. And in the past, I have been hitting only like 30 grams of protein every day. And I am looking for 150 grams of protein would be my optimal, a minimum of 100 grams of protein. Yesterday, I hit 186. So here's one of the ways that I've done it. So this was my normal breakfast originally. This is sourdough bread. So this is about a little bit more. So I like about 50 grams. So we'll get that going. But normally what I'd do is I would take some, maybe just butter, olive oil, or I really like this sweetened pepper relish kind of thing. So we'll get that going. And then we're going to go ahead and get a whole thing of that big of a mug. So we're going to get a mug, put it under here, start coffee. The coffee's going. We're going to take milk. Don't forget, grass-fed, grass-finished. Cows' stomachs are not intended to have grain. So if you're going to buy commercially processed meat, get pork, although I don't love the idea of how smart pigs are in eating them, but they are a safer alternative if you're not going to have grass-fed, grass-finished beef. The beef cannot process grains and it becomes extremely unhealthy. So here's coffee. Coffee's ready. We are going to now froth our milk. Now to add protein, we're taking I have the Vital Proteins collagen peptides. This will add to us 20 grams of protein in here. It has basically no flavor whatsoever. Let's go ahead and get our milk ready. I have a thermometer. The green area is when it's ready, but as you can tell, you can hear when it's ready. So again, back to the collagen, basically almost no flavor, no taste. Putting 2 scoops in, which seems like a lot, but those of you who love creamer and that buttery feel, that will help do it. So you're going to stir this up. And make a mess. Good paper towel. clean this. Big mess. Alright. So that's stirred up. I mean, not really any lumps in here. It stirs up pretty well. Take this. Get the big bubbles out. Stir it up. Make it hard. Stir it up just to make sure again. See what we got. Perfect. So again, 20 grams of protein in here. It's not affecting the cappuccino at all. We have Maple Hill Organic. So this is another 8 grams of protein per cup. I'd say we have about a quarter of a cup at the most for this 1 cup. So not that much protein, but this is a huge addition of protein for my morning breakfast. So let's just say we got 22 grams of protein over here. Now we have our toast. Now what I was normally doing would be something like, I would take this tomato, just cut it in half. I'm just gonna take this tomato and just squeeze it. Everything out. I don't really need the other one, but let's go ahead and use part of it. Then, where's our paper towel? Here's our paper towel. Not for you. Not for you. Not for you. Here. Go take this. Go take that. Go. I have olive oil in here. That's all I ever do. I have some balsamic vinegar if you like that in the morning. Just a touch. You come out. Come on, let's go. There we go. Now, this could have been my normal breakfast, just carbs. But I have some Volpi Traditional Coppa. It is for 3 slices. One, 2, and 3. So now I have another 15 grams of protein. On my breakfast. Need it. So I have, and then a little bit was the bread. So let's say I have 17 grams. So I have almost now, not a ton of calories either. I mean, I'm fixing to go for a run. So the bread is my carbs for the run. So almost 20 grams of protein here. It's at least 20 here, but let's say 40 grams of protein now on this breakfast was just a mild change. This for me would have been a 5 gram protein at best before I started to try to engage protein into my diet. All right, thanks.
Oh, wow.